Okay, it is Monday, October 23rd. Another gorgeous day in Southern Pines. I'm telling you, getting spoiled. All right, tonight I'm going to talk about our next event at Bella Filati. You know we love an event. So what we have coming up is very exciting. It's going to be the way we're going to kick off the Christmas season right here, okay? Now, who out there has seen the movie Christmas in Connecticut? Cheers. I personally have not ever seen it. What? I don't know how I missed it. But anyway, we are taking the theme of Christmas in Connecticut and we're going to build on that. And so what was Christmas in Connecticut? It's a movie made in 1945 starring Barbara Stanwyck, Dennis Morgan, and Sidney Greenstreet. And what's it about? Well, Barbara Stanwyck plays a food writer that works for a magazine, and she has lied forever. She's not even married. She has lied forever about being a perfect housewife. And she talked about this perfect Christmas dinner that she's going to make in an article. And her boss has invited himself and a returning war hero to her house to experience this perfect Christmas dinner. What? Sounds like a lot of laughs and a lot of fun. So anyway, it's all about that theme, okay, of Christmas in Connecticut. But none of us are probably, or maybe not none, but most of us are probably not going to be experiencing Christmas in Connecticut, but you can experience Christmas on Connecticut Avenue with Bella Filati, right? So fun. So we're having the Christmas on Connecticut Experience. What does all that mean? Well, all of that means that when you join, you will be included in all of the following during the first 2 weeks of December. All right. You will receive a fabulous themed bag, custom made just for us, designed by Chrissy, filled with yarn that will make a wonderful pattern. I don't want to tell you what it is right now. It's an exclusive pattern designed by Chrissy. And it will be full of other fabulous gifts. You will be invited to a special showing of the movie Christmas in Connecticut. We've gotten a public space at one of the, at actually where Ashley lives. She's rented the party area at her complex. So it's lovely. It's right behind the Pinehurst Medical and Pinehurst Surgical right off of Morganton Road. So it's very convenient. So we have that party room on Sunday, December 3rd. All right, so we're going to have a movie showing on Sunday, December 3rd. I think we'll have enough daylight and lights on that you can bring your knitting, any knitting you're working on. We'll have, you know, some wine and some hot toddies and some snacks, and it'll be a fun time, and we'll get to watch this great movie. I'm excited about that. Then, so that's the movie night. Then we will have a cast on and cookie party. So we're going to cast on the project that comes in your special bag on Sunday, December 10th. That'll be here at Bella Filati. This is going to be a cookie exchange with personalized recipe cards. So you will each get enough recipe cards to fill out for all of the people that will have purchased the experience of Christmas on Connecticut. And so when you come, you will bake your cookies. I don't think you have to bake 20 dozen, but you'll bake your cookies, and each will take a few cookies home from everybody's flavors, but everyone will exchange their recipe, and you will have something to put all those recipes in. So you will go home with a recipe made by all of your buddies at the event. So fun. So cookie exchange. Then that's on Sunday, December 3rd. And we're going to cast on the project. All right. We will be kicking off Merry Christmas Together the Bella Filati way. So don't miss it. Join the experience. All right, don't delay, limited quantities, loads of fun. And you can do all of that for a mere $150. And you get two events and a project that you can take home and all those recipes and all that time together. We're going to have so much fun. I'm excited about it. I'm very excited to see the movie. Very excited. So anyway, that's my news for today. Christmas on Connecticut. You are getting an email this evening with it. All you have to do is look at the email and look at it closely because it's really cute. Chrissy's done an amazing job. She even has a picture of, what's her name? Barbara Stanwyck. At the very end, a little movie clip. She's very clever, that girl. Anyway, so do that and then click on the Join the Experience. And right there, you can pay to PayPal and you will be one of the limited number of people. Can't wait. Don't wait. All right. That is it. I have one more day tomorrow to be with you, and then I'm headed off to be with my sis, which I'm kind of excited about. So it'll be fun. Lots of knitting time, I hope. All right. Have a good evening.